Hare Krishna. So I really welcome all of you today for this Bhagavatam class. We will start in next 2 minutes. Hare Krishna. So we'll start with prayers and kirtan. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय राधा गोपीनाथ राधे जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यास ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामीति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्से नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. So we will start today's Bhagavatam. I really welcome all the devotees. Today is also auspicious day. Today is the third day of Navratra. So this whole week, devotees across globe gets the opportunity to remember Lord and serve Lord. So we'll start our today's Srimad Bhagavatam Shlok. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, Hare Krishna. So Srimad Bhagavatam 7.1.27 यथा वैरानुबन्धेन मार्त्यस्तन्मायतं न तथा भक्ति योगेन इति मे निश्चितमति। यथा वैरानुबन्धेन मार्त्यस्तन्मयतं न तथा भक्ति योगेन इति मे निश्चितमति। यथा वैरानुबन्धेन मार्त्यस्तन्मयतं न तथा भक्ति योगेन इति मे निश्चितमति। यथा as Vaira anubandhena by constant enmity, martya a person, tat mayatam absorption in him, yat may attain, na not, tatha in a like manner, bhakti yogena by devotional service. Iti, thus, me, my, Nishchita, definite, Mati, opinion. Translation. Narad Muni continued, by devotional service, one cannot achieve such intense absorption in thought of the Supreme Personality of Godhead as one can through enmity toward Him. That is my opinion. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Sriman Narad Muni, the topmost pure devotee, praises Krishna's enemies like Shishupal because their minds are always completely absorbed in Krishna. Indeed, he thinks himself deficient in the inspiration of being feelingly absorbed in Krishna consciousness. This does not mean, however, that the enemies of Krishna are more elevated than Krishna's pure devotees. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi 5.205, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also thinks of himself in such a humble way. Jagai madhai haite muni se papishta puri shera kita haite muni se lagishta. I am a worse sinner than Jagai and Madhai, and am ever lower than the worms in the stool. A pure devotee always thinks himself more deficient than everyone else. If a devotee approaches Srimati Radharani to offer some service to Krishna, even Srimati Radharani thinks that the devotee is greater than she. Thus, Narad Muni says that according to his opinion, the enemies of Krishna are better situated because they are fully absorbed in thoughts of Krishna in terms of killing him. Just as a very lusty man always thinks of woman and their association. The essential point in this connection is that one should be fully absorbed in thoughts of Krishna 24 hours a day. There are many devotees in Raga Marga which is exhibited in Vrindavan, whether in Dasya Ras, Sakhya Ras, Vatsalya Ras or Madhurya Ras. All the devotees of Krishna are always overwhelmed by thoughts of Krishna. When Krishna is away from Vrindavan, tending the cows in the forest, the gopis in the Madhurya Ras are always absorbed in thoughts of how Krishna walks in the forest. The soles of his feet are so soft that the gopis would not dare keep his lotus feet on their soft breasts. Indeed, they consider their breasts a very hard place for the lotus feet of Krishna. Yet, those lotus feet wander in the forest, which is full of thorny plants. The gopis are absorbed in such thoughts at home, although Krishna is away from them. Similarly, when Krishna plays with his young friends, Mother Yashoda is very much disturbed by thoughts that Krishna, because of always playing at and not taking his food properly, must be getting weak. These are examples of the exalted ecstasy felt in Krishna's service as manifested in Vrindavan. This service is indirectly praised by Narad Muni in this verse. Especially for the conditioned soul, Narad Muni recommends that one somehow or other be absorbed in thoughts of Krishna. For that will save one from all the dangers of material existence. Full absorption in thought of Krishna is the highest platform of Bhakti Yoga. Hare Krishna. So, this is the dialogues between Narad Muni and Yudhishthir Maharaj. And Yudhishthir Maharaj asked certain questions. And to these questions, Narad Muni replied him in certain form. And here Narad Muni says what is his opinion. He says how even someone remembers Krishna in his enmity, still he gets the salvation. mukti. And very nice example is narrated of Shishupal. Now, let's see the history. Shishupal, when he was born with 4 hands. And instead of 2 eyes, he was having 3 eyes. And the Akashvani happened that this boy who is born, he should be killed. It is not auspicious. But however, mother's heart melted and she requested, or she asked the voice, what is the alternate? I don't want to lose my son. And the Akashvani says, you can keep your son on someone's lap, and whoever's lap these 2 extra hands and 1 eye gets disappear, then he can live, he can continue his life. But however, the same person will be the cause of your son's death. And so many days passed, and whoever used to come to their house, she used to keep Shishupal on their lap. उनकी गोदी में देते थे. And still the hands and eye used to continue. One day, Krishna and Balram visited their house. Since Shishupal is also Krishna's cousin, they are related with the same family. And to the surprise, when Shishupal was handed over to Krishna, and when he अपने गोदी में जब उन्होंने लिया, the same time the 2 hands and that extra eye disappeared. Now mother was worried. She asked Krishna, please, whatever he does mischief in his life, he should not be killed. Please give me this boon, or please give me this benediction. And Krishna said, okay, Bua, what I'll do, I'll forgive his hundreds of mistakes. But if he continues with this, and even 101, if he does a mistake, I'll make sure, then only I'll kill him. And that's how Lord Krishna and Balram went from there. And Shishupal, from his birth, he was such a kind of person that he was always having an enmity towards Vaishnavas. And to be precise, he was having enmity towards Lord Krishna. So who was Shishupal? Same 2 Dwarpal in Lord's abode, Jay and Vijay. Shishupal and Dantavakra. In this pastime, they have come to escort or to serve Lord in different form. And fast forward, the story continues. And when this Yudhishthir Maharaj was performing his yajna, Shishupal had also come there. And he was continuously blaspheming the Lord. One after the other, one after the other. 95, 96, 97. He was continuously blaspheming. And then he crossed the 100, 101. And at the same time, Lord called his Sudarshan Chakra. And with that Sudarshan Chakra, in front of everybody who were there present for this yajna, his head was separated from his body, Shishupal. And what is the surprise? From his body, a Divya Jyoti came outside. A Jyoti came from his body and entered into from Lord's feet to his body. Narad Muni explains, see, Shishupal, who was into enmity, he got mukti. So what to speak about the devotees who remember him 24 hours in the mood of service. Trinadapi sunichena tarorapi sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. So someone will think how Narad Muni is explaining here that even what is his opinion that even a person who have enmity towards the Lord, he is most or he can get the salvation. So in purport, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada very nicely explains that that is the bhav of a devotee. By enmity one gets the salvation. So what to speak about Lord Krishna's dear devotees? And here it explains that even Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, who himself is the writer of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he says, Jagai and Madai are the most elevated devotees, and he himself thinks as of he is even lower than worms in the stool. That's how the mood of the devotees is. So what is the essential point in this connection is that one should be fully absorbed in thoughts of Krishna 24 hours a day. Always remember Krishna and never forget Krishna. One and the same. So in different rasas, devotees serve Lord in Vrindavan. And the most important is how the Vatsalya ras. Mata Yashoda, she always thinks when Krishna was in a Poganda avastha or in the age of say somewhere between 12 years or close by, where Krishna used to take all the cows in the forest, and Mother Yashoda used to think he is not eating properly. He is always busy in playing with his other gopas, and he is not taking care of his food. And during when Krishna was in the forest, she used to always meditate on him, what he would be doing now, where he would be now, and he is not eating properly. So that is how mother's love and affection is. And in this material world also we see, whenever I remember my daughter, when she was going in a school camp, she has to go for a few days. When she was in 7th standard, for almost 3 days, she was out of her home with her school friends in a camp. And in the morning, when I was having my breakfast, she was remembering my daughter, what she would have having now. And in the afternoon, when I called from my office around 2 p.m., she was sharing that what Krishna would be doing right now. My daughter's name is also Krishna Priya. So in a short way, we say her Krishna. And while in the evening when I have come home, again she was remembering her. So in this material world also we see that how mother is always caring and loving and remembering her child. And not only that, but when child grows, I remember when I used to go and meet my grandmother in a village, with so love and affection she used to receive me after in a vacations when I used to visit, and she'll always keep saying, "You are not taking food very well. You should take your food well." And I used to wonder every time whenever I visit, she would say in this form only. But that was the way she used to express her love and gratitude and affection towards her grandchildren. Me, myself, my brother, my sisters, the same affection she used to have. And not only that, we used to study in the city due to our schooling. We were staying here in Sambhajinagar, and my grandmother at a small village on Solapur highway in the farm. She used to have, whenever the mango season was there, whoever used to come to our city, she used to send that mangoes with them. Then in vacations when we go, the whole week she'll make so many preparations, different type of chutneys, some sweets, some fruits from the farm. And when we used to come back, she used to pack it so nicely that we can use it for a couple of days. So remembrance. When we were here, she used to completely remember when, suppose in Diwali vacations, now it is 20 days for the vacations. And she would discuss with her other people of town, my grandson and my granddaughters will be coming after next 20 days, and she will be absorbed in that mood. When we were child, we were not able to understand, but now I am remembering her so much. That what was her mood, that love and affection, and very small things she used to serve us. It doesn't matter these things are small or big. Through that affection and love we used to feel. So Madhurya Ras. And Prabhupada very nicely explain different type of relationship or rasa individually devotees used to have with Krishna in Vrindavan. Dasyaras, Sakhyaras. So Lord's friends, while playing, they used to take sometime Krishna on their back and they used to play. And not only that, now second time turn comes when Krishna has to take their friends on their back. Now he is Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. The Lord who is the Anadi, who is Adi, and who is powerful. The same Lord, see his pastimes. He is taking his friend on his back. Sakhyaras. Hanumanji served Lord Ramchandra in Dasyaras. Lakshman, when he was, लक्ष्मण जी जब मूर्छित हुए और कोई उपाय नहीं था, तो हनुमान जी को कहा गया कि आप जाके संजीवनी लेके आइए. एंड हनुमान जी वॉज सर्चिंग संजीवनी इन ए फॉरेस्ट, कहीं मिल नहीं रही है. दास्यरस, he is the obedient servant of the Lord. And finally, पूरा पर्वत ही उठा कर ले आए. See, so that's how Hanumanji served Lord Ramchandra in that mood. So the gist is absorption, deep thought, continuously thinking about Lord. The practical tips. One of our devotee friend, how used to serve or how used to remember Lord. So whenever he gets up in the morning, he'll thank Lord that you allowed us to get up in the morning. Otherwise, so many people would have left their body in the night only. But you have given me the opportunity. So let me thank you. And then from the bed, when he has to step his feet or foot on a धरती पर जब रखना है पैर, तो he would bow down to धरती माता. In a whole day I will be walking on your top. So please forgive me. कृतज्ञता भाव. And then he'll start his work. And gets ready. While getting ready, the practical tip while doing brush or applying tilak, he'll have his audio on and listening some lecture of Prabhupada or the disciples of Prabhupada and not wasting the time. Always remember Krishna, never forgets Krishna. And not only this, on the top of it, while going to office, one is driving, but one can definitely speak from his mouth and hear from his ears. So he'll meditate or he'll chant some shlokas or we'll start chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. And I was so happy. One day I was fortunate to stay with him and visit to different places, and he was completely absorbed in deep thought. So, which type of absorption is required? One can say Kams was also absorbed, but what type of absorption that was? Anukul or Pratikul? The shloka is very nicely expressed. What type of absorption is required? In devotional service, so whatever Kamsa was doing, that was a Pratikul. He was remembering. It is said, nicely expressed in Krishna book also, that even the air used to blow and the curtains used to move this way. Kansa would get up in such a shocking mood. He used to think that Krishna would have come there. Not only that, when he used to drink water, in water he used to see Krishna. If some voice come, he used to get attracted to that voice and he used to think that there might be Krishna. He was so deeply concerned or absorbed. But that was in what state? Pratikul. Why he was fear? He was having so much of fear that Krishna would come and kill him. Or I want to kill Krishna. So that was not appropriate. That was not a serving mood. Vice versa. Just now we saw so many of examples of Yashoda Maiya or gopis remembering Krishna. So almost 500 years back in this Maharashtra, Ma Jijau, she was also remembering her Ishta Devta, Lourdes Shivai, and what she was remembering, or what she was into deep absorption, that I don't want anything. What I want a son who will rescue all the citizens from the Yavanas, the different type of tortures what Yavanas are doing for the common people, that should be stopped. And it was there from almost 300 years. This Yavanas was ruining the entire state of Maharashtra. Nobody was secure. And this young lady, Ma Jijau, who was basically from Buldhana, Jadhav family, and now got married into Bhosles, basically from Verul, Sambhajinagar. She was also in a deep absorption. In Marathi it says, आंबेला तिने याचना केली, गोंधळ घातला, की please give me a son who will be the so bright. And that's what happened. While she was going through her pregnancy time, she was getting the remembrance that she is on the lions, she is sitting on lion. All heroic thoughts were coming into her mind. And that's what Lord did. Whatever she was desiring, Lord fulfilled. And Shubha born. And then his childhood things started. Ma Jijau used to taught so nicely wonderful lessons from Ramayana and Mahabharata every day. And Bal Shubha was absorbed in this pastimes of Lord Krishna, Prabhu Ram, Pandavas, from Mahabharata, Ramayana and different scriptures. And that's how slowly Shivaji was growing with the deep lessons given by his mother. And he was growing. And slowly they started improving the area of Pune, and people were happy. And now fast forward, one more gentleman who was coming from Bijapur, Yavan, he was also in a deep meditation about Lord Shiva, about Chhatrapati Shivaji. But what was his absorption? He wanted to kill him. And he was moving ahead from Bijapur. And while coming, he was destroying so many of temples, threatening the people, killing them, looting them. And he used to enjoy while seeing their miseries. And he was thinking, now Shivaji will come out, I'll capture him, and this whole, whatever they are trying to do, a Swarajya, will get now destroyed. So he was in absorption for killing Chhatrapati. And what Chhatrapati was doing here, he was also in a deep meditation. He was also into absorption for his Ishtadev. In the morning, he used to perform tapasya, and during daytime, he used to discuss with all his kingsmen. Now what to do? And finally, fast forward, the day came that this person who is coming from Bijapur, Afzal Khan, he agreed to come and meet Shivaji in Vai. And the whole night, Chhatrapati was in deep meditation, in absorption, in front of Ai Tulja Bhavani. Now it's a Navratra time. Across the globe, people remember Ai Tulja Bhavani and different forms of Bhavanis. And Chhatrapati Maharaj was also remembering her. Now please allow me as a servant, as it is said, Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna Rakhe ke. If Lord, you wanted to save me and our kingdom, who can disturb us? And if you want to get it away from us, then who can protect us? But let me do my endeavor as a humble servant. In the morning, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj get up early morning and he was remembering Lord Shiva. He performed Abhishek. And the time came when he had to come out and see him. And he was fully prepared. Jagadamba, Jagadamba. That Jai Ghosh was continuously going out in his mind. And the time came when Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was coming steps down. And the Afzal Khan was waiting for him. And he was meditating the pastimes of Pandavas. He was meditating the pastime of Lord Narsingha Dev, how he killed Hiranyakashipu. And while coming, the whole planning was done. It is not that he is coming without any planning. He had called his important people and he said, I'll definitely kill this man and come. But in case if anything different happens, then Ma Jijau, under her guidance, all other important people should continue this Yajna of Swarajya. And in this small, nicely done Shamyana, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj entered with one vakil. And now they greet each other. Shivaji Maharaj was of a small height. This Yavan was a very tall. And he was thinking in his mind, मैं तो इसको अभी ऐसे ही कुचल दूंगा. And he took the small knife and tried to hit on Chhatrapati's backside or at his below his head. And Chhatrapati was prepared. He took out the Vagnakhi from his hand and he मानो ऐसा कि जैसा भगवान नरसिंह देव ने हिरण्यकश्यप का वध किया, पूरा पेट फाड़ दिया, उसी प्रकार छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने इस यौवन का, अफजल खान का, उसी तरह से वाग्नखी से उनका पेट फाड़ दिया. और कवि विशेष रस में गान करते हैं, डफावर ताल तुंतुन्यांचा, डफावर ताल तुंतुन्यांचा, शाहीर हा महाराष्ट्राचा प्राण, शाहीर हा महाराष्ट्राचा प्राण, करतो गुणगान शिवाजीच जी जी जी, करतो गुणगान शिवाजीच जी जी जी. A humble servant of Lord Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did such a hilarious, such a victory, the way Pandavas did the victory. The same way Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, such a big threat had come on his Swarajya. And whose Swarajya it was? He always used to say, his Swarajya ho hita Srichi Ichha. This is not mine. I am only a humble servant. This Swarajya will happen by the will of a Lord. So we see the two different types of absorption. What Afzal Khan was in a deep absorption, that how I will kill Chhatrapati and take his Swarajya. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was also in a deep absorption towards the pastimes of Lord Krishna, toward the pastimes from Mahabharata, towards the Ishtadev, Lord Bholenath, Ma Jagdamba. He was in a deep meditation. Whatever you say, it will happen. I am your humble servant. I will do my duty. Similarly, doing our job, doing our household duties, that is must, that is required. But what is most important and required, that the heart we should not give to this material world, but that heart we should give to Lord in his lotus feet. With a small story, I will narrate and then we'll stop. So everybody have heard, but this is very interesting story. Two friends, crocodile and monkey, and every day they used to meet at the bank of a river, and monkey was on a tree and crocodile was in the water, and they used to chat, and monkey used to have a very lovely fruits, and he used to give to crocodile also, and he used to eat every day, and he was so happy. And then crocodile used to take some fruits to she crocodile at his house, and she crocodile also eating it. And one day she crocodile asked the he crocodile, I want to have something from you. And he crocodile said, what? Kindly ask. She said, I am going on starvation now. He asked, why? She said, I want to have your friend's heart, Kalij, Kaleja. And he crocodile got shocked. Why? She said, every day he is having so wonderful fruits. So imagine what his heart would have become. So I want his heart. And this poor chap couldn't say no to her. And he went and he was discussing with his friend, monkey. And he said, come, today we'll go at my house. Every day we used to meet. But my wife I've shared with about you and she wanted to serve you nice food. So please come. She wants to meet you. And monkey, without any hesitation, he jumped from the tree, and then how slowly they started moving to see she crocodile. And after some time, crocodile thought, anyway, now this is his last day, so let me reveal why I am taking him there. And crocodile said, my dear friend monkey, let me tell you, I am taking you, we want to eat you. My wife's desire is that your heart would be so tasty, since you had so many fruits from the jungle. And the monkey laughed. He said, oh, such a small thing. You should have told me earlier only. Arey Baba, my heart is not here. My heart is on the tree. And I would have easily got it. Why you have not told me earlier only? Let's go move back. I'll give you. I'll take it with me. And this poor chap, crocodile, thought, oh. And they came on the bank and monkey jumped on the tree. And monkey revealed. And crocodile understood that he had become fool. So where was the heart of monkey? It was placed somewhere else. Similarly, while doing all the duties in the world, we have to be in the world but not of the world. हमें इस भौतिक जगत में रहना है बट जगत का बन के नहीं रहना है. Similarly, the monkey, we are also a different type of monkeys, but our heart, our work will be here, but our heart will be always in the deep meditation toward the Lord. The way Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj performed his duties, but his heart was always observed in remembering the Lord. Jagdamba, 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 Jagdamba. And his association with greatly Saint Tukaram Maharaj and his Guru Samartha Ramdas. So the Guru performed his duty by giving the guidance, and the Shishya Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj performed his duties by doing the sevas in his kingdom, considering that this kingdom belongs to Lord and I am just the instrument. So with this note, I will stop here. Always remember Krishna. Never forget Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much for patience listening.